What's going on, people? So if you remember, I did a video a few months ago, and I'll put the link here about the Uber surge versus Lyft bonus. And I mean, most YouTubers know that Lyft and Uber listen to us. So this is what I found today in the app, and I want to show it to you. So you go to the upper right-hand corner, hit the little bell notifications, and look what we have here. Unlock bonus zones more easily. You can now earn bonuses when you pick up your passengers in bonus zones, even if you haven't entered it yet. So remember in that video, I talked about you could never get the Lyft bonus where the passenger was at. You would only get the Lyft bonus where you were at. And it seems like they're going to change that. So I just wanted to bring you a quick video on this. Look for this. Let me know if it works for you. But this is great because we got Lizzo tonight, right? So if the bonus is reading $10, $15, $20, what have you, but I'm sitting a block or two away from where they request it or where that bonus is, instead of me getting $2 on the bonus, I'm going to get the full bonus. And at the end of the day, that's what counts. Got to make this money. Anyway, you let me know if you've seen it also. And yeah, peace out. Have a great weekend.